back to Maths for Kids. Today we will be looking at number bonds in deeper depth. Do you still remember what number bonds are? I have showed you this in a previous video, but if you haven't watched it, please check it out. We will do a quick recap anyway. Number bonds are numbers that can be thought of as a whole made up of different parts and pairs added together. These pairs are called number bonds. Number bonds are different pairs of numbers that, when added together, give the same number. Number bonds help us to understand numbers better, their parts, addition and subtraction. We will be looking at how we can use number bonds to do two-digit addition. When we add, we try to get rounded numbers as students start to use and learn mental arithmetic. We will do some examples. 34 and 8. First, we go to 8 and see what we add with 8 to get 10. Use your number bonds. 8 add 2 equals 10. So we go to number 34 and split it into 32 and 2. Then we draw a line across to 2 and the 8 and add them together. 8 add 2 equals 10. Now we have a new equation. 32 add 10. 34 add 8 is the same as 32 add 10. We have just made the first example easier. 32 add 10 equals 42. Another example is 36 add 9. So first, we go to number 9 and see what we add with 9 to get 10. Use your number bonds. 9 add 1 equals 10. So we go to number 36 and we split it into 35 and 1. Then we draw a line across to 9 and the 1 and add them together. 9 add 1 equals 10. Now we have a new equation. 35 add 10. 36 and 9 is the same as 35 and 10. We have just made the first example easier. The answer to 35 and 10 is 45. Another example is 47 add 5. So we look up what we add with 5 to get 10. 5 add 5 equals 10. So we go to number 47 and split it into 42 and 5. Then we draw a line across to both the 5s and add them together. 5 add 5 equals 10. Now we have a new equation. 42 add 10. 47 add 5 is the same as 42 add 10. We have just made the first equation easier. So the answer to 42 add 10 is 52. We can do this in another way. We have an example. 18 and 40. So instead of splitting the first number, we can split the second number. And we can make the first number into a multiple of 10. So, we go to number 18 and see what we add with 8 to get 10. Use your number bonds. 8 add 2 equals 10. So we go to number 14 and split it into 2 and 12. Then we draw a line towards 18 and 2 and add them together. 18 add 2 equals 20. Now we have a new equation. 20 add 12. 18 and 14 is the same as 20 and 12. We have just made the first example easier. So the answer to 20 and 12 is 32. Another example is 23 and 15. So we go to number 23 and see what we add with 3 to get 10. Use your number bonds. 3 and 7 equals 10. So we go to number 15 and split it into 7 and 8. Then we draw a line across to 23 and 7 and add them together. 23 and 7 equals 30. Now we have a new equation. 30 and 8. So 23 and 15 is the same as 30 and 8. We have just made the first equation easier. The answer to 30 and 8 is 38. Another example is 65 and 15. So first we go to 65 and see what we add with 5 to get 10. Use your number bonds. 5 and 5 equals 10. So we go to number 15 and split it into 5 and 10. Then we draw a line across to 65 and 5 and add them together. 65 and 5 equals 70. And now we have a new equation. 70 and 10. 65 and 15 is the same as 70 and 10. We have just made the first example easier. The answer to 70 and 10 is 80. You can choose which number you split, as you will get the same answer for each. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you for my next video. Bye!